This is another great recipe for a weekly rotation. Chicken legs are inexpensive and this recipe tastes great. Begin by seasoning the chicken legs with salt, pepper, and herbes de Provence. Score each piece for deeper flavor penetration and then place in a preheated oven to 450 degrees. Now while the chicken is cooking, mince garlic and heat it on medium heat in a generous amount of olive oil. Within 20 seconds, you will feel the wonderful aroma of garlic cooking. As soon as you smell it, add a splash of white wine. That will stop the cooking process of the garlic and prevent it from burning. Once the wine of the alcohol has cooked off for a few minutes, melt butter into the sauce. Mix it all together and turn off the heat. Take half of a lemon and squeeze its juice into the sauce. Taste for salt and pepper and adjust as needed. Roughly chop parsley and add it to the pan as well. Now your sauce is done. Check on your chicken. It should have an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees and a pretty golden color. Transfer to a beautiful serving dish and pour the aromatic wine sauce all over the chicken legs. I like to finish it off by seasoning it with sumac, which gives it another dimension to the flavor. Dig in. If you like this recipe, follow for more.